So you want to make your teeth more whiter by brushing your teeth. I would recommend buying any brand, don't matter, but as long as it says baking soda and peroxide whitening. I think baking soda will help make your teeth more whiter, but there's a catch. If you use a lot of baking soda, it will hurt your mouth. So try to use the other ones. But if you really want to make your teeth white, very white, keep using this. Any brand, don't matter what brand. Colgate, Crest, as long as it says baking soda and peroxide. I think it's called peroxide, I'm not sure. Whitening. As long as you get this, it says this on any brand, for sure you make your teeth whiter. But it will hurt your mouth if you use it too much of this stuff. But after you brush your teeth, just wash it with water. Clean your mouth with all water, you know, and so don't hurt your mouth that much. So just use this if you really want to make your teeth white fast. If it's all yellowish or whatever. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later again. Bye bye.